How to remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing is to be on your Facebook, and then the next thing will be going to the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you want to go to your profile icon over there and click on the drop down on your profile picture. Now you want to locate the Facebook page you were added as an admin, and then you want to switch profiles to that particular Facebook page. And the next thing will be going back to the top right hand corner of your screen and clicking on the drop down on your Facebook profile picture again. Now you want to go to settings and privacy, and then you want to click on settings again. Now on getting to the settings, you want to go to the right side of your screen and then scroll down until you see page setup. Now tap on page setup, and then you want to go to page access and click on it. Now you want to go to the three dots by the side of your name as an admin to this page, and you want to tap on that particular three dots, and then you'll be tapping on remove access. Now it's going to be asking you for your personal password. Now not the password of the page you were handling, but your personal password. And when that is confirmed, you'll be removed as an admin from this page. Now the reason why I have this extra verification is because I have a two-factor authentication on my Facebook page, so it has to go through this before I'll be done. But if you don't have a two-factor authentication, then this should not pop up on your screen. And this is exactly how to remove yourself from a Facebook page as an admin. Now if you go back to your regular page and you go back to the drop down on your profile picture, now you would notice that that account that used to be there is no longer there. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.